Hello everyone. Today we'll demonstrate how to bind data to UI components using the getAll method in Devum. We've built a sample employee dashboard to walk you through the entire data binding process. This will show you how to connect a data source and make your UI dynamic from start to finish. We began by setting up our layout structure using a grid layout as our foundation. Inside this grid, we added a container with an employee list label and included an unpaginated list component. Within this list component, we placed one container with two labels that will display our employee details. Now, let's go through the data binding process together. To begin, select the Unpaginated List component and open the Properties panel. From there, navigate to the Data Binding section. Once the connection is established, next you'll click on Add Data Source, select Forms Service, and choose the Employee Dataset. Set the method to getAll, then confirm your selection by clicking Add Data Source once more to complete the connection. With our data source successfully linked, we can now map the information from our dataset to the UI. This process, known as data binding, allows us to tell the application which piece of data should appear in which component. For the very first label, we will bind it to the name field. By doing this, we are telling the system to pull the name of each employee from the connected data source and automatically populate this label with that information. The second label will be configured using the template builder, which allows us to combine the department and designation fields to show them together as a single component. Once these bindings are complete, you'll immediately see all employee records appear in our list, clearly demonstrating the getAll method in action. Each entry now neatly displays the employee's name alongside their department and job designation. Finally, remember to publish your changes to save this configuration. You've now successfully bound data to UI components using the getAll method to display complete employee records. Thank you.